Hip Hop TXL, the exclusive list.
Business is business, can't leave no witness.
Hey yo, Iceberg, stop it.
It ain't nothing to discuss, just know the city mine. If it's a problem, I'm around, let's meet up anytime. If we can get this shit to work, then we can really shine. Somebody mother gon' lose a child if he think it's still in mine. Back to how it started, that prison cell made me sharper. I come around to get darker, just try to breathe. Got so many tricks up under my sleeve. 36 ounces of coke, you got you a key. More artillery is needed, we taking over. To give a fuck about that love now, you hate then show it. This a once in a lifetime chance, I'd hate to blow it. Don't know what he was thinking, headshot, his brains will show it. My shit get deep, you think I hang with poets. Rock him to sleep, rob him right before we speak, I bet he ain't gon' know it. Me and my lady up Lennox, fresh off a sentence. I'm known to handle business, always had a hand in sinning. Tailor fitted, no time to act cute. Pull up in black suits, we ain't flashing guns, these gats shoot. My exact mood, the money got us arrogant. Down on one knee, I met the streets and then I married it. The evidence, we bury it. Saved a bunch of my niggas, they looked at me like Harriet. Broke it so embarrassing, I cleared that up like Clarendon. Broad daylight, shots fire if they all saw it. It's a long line before you talk with the Godfather. Business is business, can't leave no witness. Beginning to finish, just handle business. Shit getting real, I bet they feel it. Pray before you eat, you don't know when your last dinner.
And my ancestors in the back, chanting and screaming. I was hustling, getting money while you niggas was dreaming. Niggas stuck in La La Land, sneakers is leaning. On the block they threw more bullets than Willie beaming. Any given Sunday, gunplay where your son play. Now I lay in some babe with models off the runway. And I'm getting dumb cake, you looking with that dumb face. Ice give me chills, shaking like a Harlem junk gate. Too debonair, don't fuck up my feng shui. Making millions, thought that I was rich off of 1K. Diamonds in my muzzle, getting chips like ruffles. Man, I'm all about a hustle, $500,000 a duffel. Heavy bags, these bags, man, you niggas getting weak cash. G-bag, T-bags, now your bitches wearing knee pads. Now your spot taking more hits than a speed bag. About to send them niggas to your family where you sleep at.
Business is business, can't leave no witness. Beginning to finish, just handle business. Shit getting real, I bet they feel it. Pray before you eat, you don't know when your last dinner. Business is business, can't leave no witness. Business is business, can't leave no witness. Shit getting real, I bet they feel it. Pray before you eat, you don't know when your last dinner.
HipHopTXL.com. Hit us up on Twitter at HipHopTXL, at DJ Ready Real,
Ready Real,
at DJ Iceberg.
DJ Iceberg.
Yeah, I'm so Brooklyn. These other niggas play with the crown, so I took it. Yeah, I'm so Brooklyn. 6ix9ine never came from the style, he from Bushwick. Yeah, I'm so Brooklyn. They might try to misconstrue my line, shout out to Bushwick. Yeah, I'm so Brooklyn. Come on, man, you already know where I'm from. K.O.B. Yeah, I knew legends for real. Y'all just posting about them. I fuck with rap for real. Y'all just talking about them. What y'all doing ain't right. Y'all wasn't part of this life. I really knew Killer Ben. R.I.P. to Polite. That was over your head. I'm standing over your bed. All black, Grim Reaper, smell a feel on your breath. I've been a wall, clip gone, boy, you niggas don't know. I hear you rapping about shooters, but what killers you know? I'm from a place where young black males turn crooks. A place where rappers get bracelets and chains took. A place where you measure your dreams by white powder. A brand new Benz off coke, that's white power. They asked me if I lived it, I did it, they all know that. Really took bricks from niggas, I still owe that. Back with a chopper to 40, right before that. Think that I'm a killer? They don't need to know that. Black Bentley, white bitches and gold jewelry. Pops out, you see me, the big homie. Dick riders, in my presence they so scary. Never let you down to the streets, do not worry. Shout out to my enemies, I know that y'all remember me. This is for the scars I gave, pour out the Hennessy. No sleep, up for days, I'm on that energy. Shots fired, see my tats so they can tell it's me. Hey, y'all gon' have to cut my verse, I can't stop. This is how I thug do work. Hit your block, killers came to get you first. Body you now, then send your moms to church, yeah. Ever put that fire in your palm, boy? Really want that paddock on your arm, boy? All I gotta do is raise a arm, boy. And my niggas cook your food like your aunt, boy. Hey, niggas know what city it is. County of Kings, my homie fresh out of the bin. Said all he wanted was a big booty stripping from Queens. I took him out, let him get a taste of Starless and things, yeah. I watch so-called shooters turn rats, nigga. I'm in a drop still screaming free tax, nigga. Me and 80 slap boxing in the back, nigga. So Brooklyn, best style, I am that nigga.
last for last.
I'm so Brooklyn niggas hate me, and I already did a record called Brooklyn with Jay-Z
10 years ago.
Hold on, let me stun on these niggas. Besides me and Fab J, ain't never do a song with none of these niggas.
did.
They appetizers, this the entree. First nigga that had 50 Cent perform at the Barclays. Sold crack to my man Pops, he needed it. What I'm supposed to do, let him buy it from niggas we beefing with? East New York, Brooklyn, it's different in the East. Check my rap sheet, I really did shoot at police. So East New York, Pink Houses, Cypress Projects, everybody strapped. Niggas don't know who gon' die next. You know old Brooklyn versus New Brooklyn. Niggas don't care about that old work that you niggas put in.
They don't.
Try